In this lesson, we are going to find out what your reading speed is and how to calculate it. There are 4 steps for this. First, select a book to read. I suggest to pick a simple non-fiction book. Technical or study material will be covered in future lessons. Set the timer for 2 minutes. For that, you can use your mobile phone. Start with the first chapter and read for 2 minutes. Once you've finished reading, write a summary of what you have read without looking at the book. This will let us know your comprehension level, how well you have understood the material. Please don't skip this part. Now, here is the process of calculating your reading speed. Count the number of lines you read. Count the number of words on the first line. Multiply step 1 by step 2, and you will get the number of words you have read. Divide step 3 by 2, the number of minutes you have read. And this is your average reading speed. If you want to be more accurate, you can count all the words you have read. No matter the result, don't be harsh on yourself. Your actual reading speed depends on how awake you are, your background information, your material, if you are a multitasker, if you have stuff in your mind you think about, how hungry you are, and so on. But on average, this could be the result. And how to interpret the result? Between 100 to 200 words per minute, you vocalize. You read just one word at a time at approximately the same speed as you normally talk. From time to time, you move your lips while you read. You vocalize while you read and speak the words inwardly while you talk. Between 200 to 300 words per minute, you are an average reader. You vocalize a little bit, but you can read several words at once. Most people read at this average speed. Between 300 to 500 words per minute, you are an above average reader. You have a rich vocabulary. You have strong reading habits. You can read a group of words in a single flash. You recognize and read phrases in sentences quite quickly. You are used to vocalizing a little bit while reading. Above 500 words per minute, you are a speed reader. Usually, you read 10 to 16 words at a glance, horizontally and vertically on the page. You have high confidence in your reading and learning abilities. Now, if your reading speed is below 200 words per minute, then you need to focus on mastering your use of language and getting more comfortable with reading first. Also, start practicing the exercises in the next module, dedicated to those who have a reading speed below 200 words per minute. Remember, this is your starting reading speed. Your reading speed will improve a lot on doing what I will be teaching in this course. Now, here are the action items. Calculate your reading speed and share your reading speed result with your colleagues. You'll have my full support.